Hi everyone. Today we will learn Salesforce Inspector. So what is basically Salesforce Inspector? Basically it used for CRUD operation. So like import, export, update, upsert or delete data records in the bulk quantity. So you cannot delete data in the bulk. If you need to delete, you need to delete one by one record. But if you want to delete in the bulk, then you need Salesforce Inspector. Salesforce Inspector is very easy to use, and if you need to import data or export data, then it is very useful. You can delete one by one from here. But if you need, suppose the here 40 to 50 records are there, then how you delete? So by the Salesforce Inspector you can delete data. And if you have in the Excel data of other application or any other reason you have data in the Excel and you want to import in the Salesforce in any of the object, then also you can import data in the Salesforce in any of the object. If you want export data, whatever you have data, like in the admission object there are so many records are there, you want to export, then you can export with Salesforce Inspector. You want to update, upsert, so it's very easy. And as well as you can get the detail of object fields, API details of the fields, and record IDs also you can get from the Salesforce Inspector. And API testing also, Salesforce Inspector is very useful. So this is very useful. Let's see how it's work. So first of all, we don't have Salesforce Inspector, how it will work. So first of all, from the Google I will type Salesforce Inspector. Okay, Salesforce Inspector I will type, then click on the Salesforce Inspector because this is a Chrome extension. So add this in to add to Chrome, add to extension. So this is an extension, so I have added. So see, currently you cannot see anything here. Let me refresh the page and see if anything come. So see, so you can see Salesforce Inspector is coming now in Salesforce. It will come on all the page in Salesforce. So currently you can see it's blank showing. It's mentioned object. So whenever you will click on any object and on the record and click on the Salesforce Inspector, then you can see all the details will show here. So this is also an advantage which is beneficial for the development purpose and API functionality testing also, because you can see the object name, label number, ID, record type, created, so many details you can see here of the objects and the other details related object. So whatever fields are available in the object, you can see all details are coming. Customer standard fields are available, related API details of the fields, types of the field, value, you can make the changes in the value also in the fields. So details are coming. This will very helpful for the API testing, Salesforce testing, manual testing or development purpose. You can export this in the uh, Excel file and utilize as per required. So this is also required as in testing times. So which type of fields are available, types available, or label to check the full name, API name or types, you can see from here. So now this is object details. Let's see other details. So first click on the here. Okay, show all data we have seen. Data export, data export, you can see here select ID, query is coming. It's like a SQL. We have SOQL in the Salesforce. What is SOQL? SOQL is Salesforce Object Query Language. It's similar like a SOQL. We need to add query to get the data. Select query. So how it will work? So first we need to write select. Then whatever we need, we will add that field name and then object name. So like suppose we required ID from which object? We required from the admission object. Okay, when you will type, then it will give you hint also. So you can select also. You need API name, export to see. Or from the admission object, you get the all the ID details. If you want other detail also, like how many fields are there, let's see first. So we have country, experience. Okay. So ID, country experience from admission object. Okay, country experience. Oh, sorry, at the end this will not come. Yeah, so whatever will be the last field name, this slash will not come, comma will not come. Okay, so now you can see all details are coming here, all the ID, country name, and experience, everything details are coming here. Let's take name, full name. Okay, so these are the details. Now you can you have idea how it's we can get the details. Let's see some more examples. So whatever fields we required, we need to mention after select, okay, and before object name. But if suppose we need some criteria, then we need after object, okay, like this is object, and where suppose country okay, in country equal to USA. Okay, so now you can see we have added some criteria, some filter. We required only country belongs to USA, so like this you can add. So let's add and or formula. You can also add as per the criteria and experience. Always add API name, else it will be confused what is the issue, error will come. Experience equal to null. Export. So experience is not a drop down field, that's why we have not added in the quotes, but this is drop down field, we have added in quotes, or text field, this is text field. Every text, this is text USA, every text will be quotes in the Salesforce. Okay, so see, experience is null now. If I will add not null, or we can add so whatever is requirement, as per the requirement we can add the formula and or if but whatever is required. So as we can see, uh, whatever fields required we have added after select and before object name from, and whatever criteria we required after object name we have added criteria. Okay, so we can also add created date, sorry, after from comma will not come. Yeah, created date also coming, created by name also can come if required. Created see, name also coming. So this is the SQL, whatever query you will add you will get the information, and that you can export in the Excel. You can copy a detail and paste in the Excel. Okay. So let's see some more things. So now we have ID, full name, country, experience of admission object. These are details are coming. So let's see some more example. One more example where we have seen this example already. Country, okay, equal. Sorry, let's take experience equal to null. Okay, so all blanks are coming here. So now let's see another example. Let's click on so export, we have seen whatever data is in Salesforce we can drag and drop how it will take. So suppose whatever query we have added. Okay, suppose we have added this query. Now how to export? Just copy either in Excel format or CSV format, go to Excel and paste. Okay, simple, paste. So this is export. Okay, this is export, this is export. We have learned export. Now let me show you in data import. So in data import we can see insert, update, upsert, delete. What is insert? So data already in Excel but not part of Salesforce, we want to import in the Salesforce. But suppose there are thousands of records are in Excel. Suppose there customer moved from other application to Salesforce, and we have data of that other application in the Excel. Thousand of records are there, so we can import those data, insert in the Salesforce. If you want to update thousand of data to update, or suppose VAT or tax updated, percentage updated in the Excel format, or that column we have added 12%, 10% formula, and that row quickly updated. Now we need to update in the Excel the that those of records, then we can update from the update. Upsert means we have two type of data. Some data are new data and some are updated data. We can use upsert. Delete, you want to delete records in bulk, so you can delete here, not in bulk, in any quantity, 1 2 3 and many, you can delete from here. You can filter also, you can filter any criteria and just copy and paste and delete those criteria from the here. Suppose if there are any VAT or tax removed and you want to remove those kind of criteria, those kind of records, or from any specific country records, you can add here query and export, and you can delete those criteria also. And so from the object you cannot delete bulk, you can delete single records. So it will be difficult if required to delete multiple records. So for that you can delete from the Salesforce Inspector. How it will happen? So let's see. First, suppose you have add a query here. So suppose you want to delete all the experience field, which those are blanks. You have query now. So I have copy, suppose this copy Excel format, or copy any, just you need to copy this, and you need to select the delete option, then select where, from where, which object you want to delete. Admission object, paste. So you can see the data you copied from here, now you have pasted. Just skip this as we have already given all the API details properly. And now just import this, import. So it's in process. So see, now it's showing status is succeed, it's deleted, action deleted. So all records have deleted. So let's see now if we see. So see, now whenever we are clicking here, nothing is showing. If I will remove this query and see all the details, see only all the fields are filled, there is no null field are available, no blank field available. So all data deleted. So you can delete the records in bulk quantity, either all data or in specific data with the SQL query. It's very easy and useful. Okay, so now let's learn insert. Okay, how insert will work. So let's copy this. Okay, this data, you just need to copy data from the Salesforce Inspector and just paste here. Okay, just paste here as we have seen. See, so this is like an export. We are not doing export, we are doing import currently, but just for reference purpose I have taken the data from the export. And high level, what is export? Suppose thousand of records are here in one object, in any of object, and you want to export that data. Customer is asking for some work, or suppose any work to review data, to make any report, a dashboard, or customer is leaving the Salesforce and going to other platform, then customer required all data on the Excel or CSV file. Then from Salesforce Inspector We can add the SQL query, add and as per the requirement, and export or just copy here, click here, copy and paste in Excel and provide the customer. That's it. Very easy. Okay. So currently we are doing insert option. Just click on insert option or update, upsert or delete. Delete we have done. Insert. So select the object you want, then you need to copy and paste data. Okay. So we are doing insert. For insert, let me check what fields are mandatory fields, because it will not work, because if I will skip the mandatory field it will not import data. Mandatory fields are necessary. So experience and address both are mandatory fields. Experience is already there, just add address field. Okay. Sorry, this is not that field. Address one field. Let's see, am I adding correct field? See, address one. Okay, address one field. So now we have address field, experience field, both field, which those are mandatory field. Just see, is there any more field mandatory? If I will add here address and experience and save, data edit. Just add name for the safe side. First name, export. Okay, so now just copy and paste. I don't need anything. Okay, I don't need anything. I just need API. So these are the API, correct API. If you will add correct API in the Excel, whenever you have any Excel, suppose customer is on another platform and want to come back in the Salesforce platform, and customer has this Excel file, there are thousands of records are there. So whenever you will import the file, just correct the API names, so it will work good, fine. Else you need to correct the API names here, field mapping area. So better if you will give correct API names here. So suppose ID also we don't need required, because this is another platform ID. Suppose there is another application other than Salesforce application. So this is ID given of other application. Just don't currently forgot that we have copied this data from the Salesforce. Suppose this data is currently coming from other platform, so this is ID of other platform. We don't need in Salesforce this, because Salesforce has its own unique ID. We need the data have first name AAA. Suppose we have given BBB to CCC 3. Okay, now full name is AAA 1 2 3 4. Okay. Country USA, UK and UK. Okay, now just copy this, and you have selected the insert option, you have selected the object, Excel, paste. Just skip this. Now you have detail. It is asking the first name, full name, country. Okay, so you have detail. Just click on the import button. Let's see what happened. So it's asking required field missing, required field are missing. Address 1 field we forgot. 1 minute, why we forgot address field? It was there. How we forgot? Okay, let's copy this. Let me copy this and add address also. Just add anything, copy. Just refresh this page again, add admission, paste the detail. Let's see now, import. Okay, great. Status is success, inserted. So let's see. Okay, let's see now these detail are coming here or not. See, detail is here, awesome. So if you want, you can open this. Okay, view in Salesforce. If you want, you can see the record in the Salesforce also. See, records is there. Okay, so we have done with the insert option. So now next is update. How update will work. So let's see. Now suppose we have added here a okay, sorry. First we need the ID. Copy this, paste here. 1 minute, let me give space, paste. Okay, so see, update will not work because ID required. How Salesforce will know that which record you need to update in the database? Because if not, the ID is not there, then Salesforce will say, yeah, this ID is not there, then this is a new record. So I need to create new record. But if how Salesforce will know that this is a update record? So Salesforce required ID, record ID. Okay, so there is a Salesforce ID. The record is already in the Excel. You export, suppose export from the Salesforce already, and due to some changes like VAT tax after updation of the fields, now you want to again update the field. So previously data was like this. So if I will add like s, I will add s here. Here also I will add s. Okay, here let's see to US, UK, USA, UK and USA. Change address also 111. We have changed everything in this record. So now let's see how it works. Just copy the data, update, admission, paste, skip this, import this. So updated success. Okay, so let's see here. See S UK USA USA 111. It's working great. So we just copy paste the data for the reference purpose, but just take an example. I am giving example reference that already you have exported all details, and there are thousands of record, and some fields are updated, some phone numbers change or email ID change. So you need to update those records in the Salesforce also. So it's quickly you can transfer the detail from the Excel to the Salesforce. Okay, so now what is next? Let's see. We have seen insert, update and delete. Let's see last one, upsert. Okay, so upsert how work? So let's see. So these details we have added. Let's see this at Z and Z. Okay, not doing much changes. And DDD RRR TTT. Just copying and pasting this data to save the time. Now these three records don't have ID. That means Salesforce will pretend that this is a new record. We need to create new record, and this is has ID. I need to update this. Let's see how it will work. Copy, upsert, object selected. Just paste, skip, and import. Success, updated. Let's see. Export. See, now ZZZ is coming here. ZZZ. Here it's ZZ is coming. DDD RRR TTD new records created. So it's working. All good. Let's see if anything is more pending here. So all done. Team. Salesforce Inspector is very useful in the API testing. As a developer, as a tester, we need so many things with this inspector. Hope you have understand. Thank you everyone.